Hello again everyone and welcome back to the channel my friends. So today I've got an absolute classic for you, an American icon. It's absolutely lovely. Now I picked this up at Sharp Show 24. Really nice guys. It's a great example of it, okay? It's like new old stock. I didn't get it. I got it from one of the guys there obviously, but it didn't come in the box. But this is a fantastic sample. It really is example. Blades entering bang on down the middle. That's quite impressive. No, really, really good, guys. Okay, let's pop this up here out. So we've got a nice positive lockup, which I kind of always look for. Oh, this is lovely, guys. Welcome, my friends. This, of course, is the classic case Sodbuster. All right, absolutely lovely, isn't it? Come on. In that lovely yellow Delrin, which reminds you, of course, of Randy. So, you know, I won't be getting rid of this. This is a keeper. And it's just so practical. I really like this blade shape as well. And this knife. It's an icon, yeah. It's definitely a keeper, guys. It's super practical and useful as well. Now, of course, apart from the classic yellow, you've got many different colours and flavours, of course. You can get jigged bone. I like the old peach seeds finish as well, which is really nice. The sea dragon, the blue jigged bone, of course, the Caribbean bone, or of course stag. There's many variants. Okay, it's definitely worth picking one up, guys. If you're new to knives or you haven't got one, get one. It's just that good. What else have we got similar? Well, of course, we got this, which is, you know, I picked this up for £20, okay? It's normally about, I think, 35 or something like that, or £40, okay? This, though, is very similar. Look at this. It's a classic copy, isn't it? There you go. This is the Imperial, the Schrade Sodbuster. Similar size, but only £10 or just under £10. Fantastic. Definitely consider it. And, of course, they got the black and the yellow finish as well. And then, of course, this is one of my first knives I actually had, this lovely puppy, the Mazarin Sodbuster. Fantastic, in that lovely dark red canvas micarta and that lovely stonewash grey. Look at that, it lends itself really well against that red, doesn't it? Fantastic. Fantastic. Honestly, guys, I love a Sodbuster. I think you can see that. And there you go, I'm sure you appreciate that. So let's get back to this. So, for me, what I really like about this, apart from being it's so practical, that blade, okay, that blade shape, because you've got a slight drop point. Well, it is a drop point, obviously. You can pierce and puncture, okay. You've got a bit of belly to do whether you're out in the woods doing a bit of skinning and something like that. You can use it for that, of course, for small game. You've got that lovely long flat, which is great. You can do all your draw cuts, of course, yeah. Easy to sharpen. It's so super practical for all your everyday carry. Apart from opening up boxes, of course, and all your packages, no problem at all. Lovely hollow. I've got hollow blades there as well, hollow grind, okay, which is nice. I actually really like that. I like a flat grind, but also like a hollow grind. It's going to be an absolute super slicer. Any blades. Wobble, rather none, absolutely no blade play at all. I always look out for that. I've got a full finger, which is lovely because I've got XL hands, size 10s, okay. And I love this carbon steel. They do a great carbon steel. Why? Because it's easy to maintain. It holds a decent edge, and of course, look, you got a little bit of patina on it. A little bit of, we've got to love those tinas, right? Absolutely lovely. You can put a forced patina on it by putting in an apple or vinegar, but I like to let it patina naturally, okay? It's got that slight satin stonewash finish almost, yeah? But I really like it. Now, she pulls and breaks about a 6, which is nice for most people, but it's nice because it holds well. Lovely. It really is nice, guys. I really like this. We've got the tang stamps, of course. So I don't know if you can see that. We've got the case. There you go. US of A. Okay. And on the back, or we've got the USA on the back there, rather, with the model number and just case on the front. My bad. Okay. So anyway, we've got a nice slick action and a positive stop, which I actually really like. Quite clean, given it's quite second-hand, guys. I don't see any dirt or debris in there. Lovely, good to see. Nice brass liners, always sign of a good knife. Look at that, lovely brass liners, guys. Nice and tight, no gapping on the back spring there. Great termination, bang on the 90. Honestly, I'm so impressed with this. And I picked this up, like I said, I think I mentioned it, £20. Okay. On the mark side, okay, good finishing, no scuffing or anything like that. No, telltale marks. The pins, brass pins are flush brass pivot, and that's a lovely size pivot, isn't it? Okay, absolutely lovely. On the pile side, we've got, again, flush pivot and flush pins. This is such a good example and an absolute steal at £20. I'm glad I picked it up. I'm going to be using it in, of course, especially, in memory of Randy, of course, yeah, which we all kind of knew and loved, okay? Yeah, God bless him, all right? So, apart from that, guys, the fit and finish overall for me is actually very good, considering it's second-hand. It's very, very good. The ergos with a Sodbuster is always going to be good. Exceptional ergos, fits like a glove. Yeah, it really does. It's omni-dexterous, so you can use it in left or right hands, of course, no problem at all. Overall dimensions. Now, it's UKLegal, okay, in case you didn't know already. 7 centimetres on the blade, okay, or 2 3/4 of an inch. That's a lovely size blade for a UK. It does everything. Really nice, guys, okay. Blade thickness is 2.5 mil to a 0.08 of an inch, okay, which is good enough. So it's super slicey, all right, but yet strong, okay. Overall length, from memory, is 16 centimetres or 6.5 inches, which is a nice size. Great, 6.5, 7 inches is ideal for me for an EDC. Really is. 6.5, but I like 7, even 8 for like bushcraft and such. On the closed, we've got 8.5 centimetres or 3 5/8 of an inch. Now the weight, this is lightweight. It's solid and robust to work with. It's a great practical knife, but what's it weigh? I reckon 70 grams. I don't actually know, guys. 58 grams. That's pretty light, okay. Great for an EDC. Anything under 100 grams in my mind, or 2 ounces, guys, in old money, okay. Absolutely fantastic. So tell me what you think of this, guys. Put it in the comments below. It really is an American classic that is very, very practical as a work knife, okay. It's well made, iconic design, okay, which probably, I think I mentioned it, originates from Germany originally. UKLegal, of course. Compact. It is very compact. Quite sleek and slender, and great value for money, even if you bought one new. So great as a gifting tool for a first knife, for a birthday, anniversary, or special occasion. So I'd highly recommend it. And this particular puppy, I thought I was going to give it 4, 4.5. This is 5 stars, guys. It's that good. I can't believe how I picked this up. 5 stars. Fantastic. I'm so happy about it. Okay, for prices and availability, see the links below. Show your support by giving us a like. It really helps the channel, guys, and hitting that subscribe button. And I appreciate it, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp.